Okay, let's go again. So, oh dear, a 2-4-3-6. Let's try a Morra Smith Gambit. So pisher, what's his stats? They're okay actually. But it's just 2-4-3-6. There's a bit of a scary auto pairing rating. I wonder if he blunders this time in the morning. Oh, he's got takes maybe in Queen D4 for Knight C2. Unless there's a flaw in that. Bishop B5 check. Or Queen A4 check. There's no flaw there, is there? Knight E5, Queen D4 is naughty. Queen A4 check. I'll just let the pawn go. Alright, let the pawn go. It's lack of development, I bet, maybe, I've got a chance. That's 2-5-7-4 on the 5-minute auto pairing. No way. 25th of October. That was just last month. 2-5-7-4. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear. So I've just gone down a pawn for virtually nothing. And actually, isn't Knight C2? No, he's coming into D4, so that's not really much good. Maybe Knight D5 is potentially useful. So Knight D5 or Bishop E3. So Bishop E3 can win the exchange with Knight F3. It's time maybe for Rook E3. It looks a bit miserable, this position. Without, he's got a good centre. I'm not sure I rate my chances that much. Okay, what about Knight E4 though? Oh, back row is also weak, so it's like time to do something about the back row maybe. Just B4, Bishop B2. So something like Knight E4 Rook, Rook E1, there's Knight C2, Knight E4. Alright, if I just do something about the back row for a sec, without the diagonal being weakened, maybe just move this back for a moment. Knight A4 to C5, Knight E4 to C5, that would have been good. F5 now is annoying. Okay, so I can get to C5. No, I can't. F5. What is knight g3? I think getting some space for my king g3 might be useful here. It stops knight f4. Okay, I think back here for a sec. Knight a4 to c5. But I want to play g3 without knight d3 being a pain. So if I move this guy back, mind you, then rook d2. Let's just go for this then. Allow my bishop to come off. Okay, so knight a4, yeah. I can play knight c5 to block the bishop on knight f2, rook f2, rook d2, knight c5. Okay, so bishop c3 to e1, or rook d3. Bishop e1 here looks as though I'm trying to hold the fort. Knight c5 just to get b7 pressure. You can take and be protecting with the knight, so well, knight c3, I don't think knight c3 does anything. g4, what about g4 to provoke for knight c3, take c4. Although the f file might be useful, we could just take. Is a knight c3 here? Can I just take here? Undermining, preventing rook g6. Have I got knight e4? No, I've just blundered the piece. Let's take. There's knight f3, king g2. Aha. Okay. So maybe knight c5. It's time for knight c5. Oh dear, oh dear. He's down to a minute, so that's good. Getting a 2400 down to a minute. If that means anything. Probably not. a4 here? Or rook e3? Maybe rook e3. Just try and simplify. So it takes on f5. Okay, I can get rook d7 in. Which probably isn't that helpful. Oh dear. Oh, blimey. Scary rating. Kind of knight b4, huh? It's oh dear. It's a problem about queen d4 here. So knight e5, queen d4. Interesting. Yes. Comments or questions on YouTube? Thanks so much.